Hey folks, it's Dr. Smith. It is Friday, day before spring break. Very exciting. We are going into week 8 spring break. There are no bona fide assignments due this break. You can enjoy your time off. However, I will say that spring break is the time that the optional Microsoft Excel assignments open. And some folks who might have some extra time during this week benefit from taking these optional Excel assignments because these Excel assignments lead to taking the Moss Excel Associate exam. Now, there are benefits to taking the Moss Excel Associate exam. In fact, I have a document. It's been there since week 1, but I reposted it for week 8 that says benefits of taking the Certiport Moss exam. Lots of fun things about how it's free with a voucher that's normally cost $100. Once you pass the Certiport Moss Excel exam, you have then completed the Excel portion of the class, which is the second half of the whole semester. You also get 10 bonus points added to the course average, and you are finished with the course. In order to get that credit, here are some steps that you must do. First, you must complete the 5 Moss skills training for Excel. I have all 5 of them listed under the spring break week. They are also listed in MindTap Cengage. Each one has its own due date, but you may begin working on them ahead of time as you are able. When you are complete with all 5 of those trainings, you must email me, and I will give you access to the Moss practice exam, which you must pass. Once you pass the Moss practice exam, you let me know again, and then I will submit the request to the testing center for you to take the Moss certification test there. Upon completing that certification test, you should get a little certificate with your score. You send me that certificate, and then I will reply back that I've received it after I update your gradebook, basically validating that you've completed the course. But make no mistake, the associate level Moss certification for Excel is no joke. I have students who do very well in the class, and they note that the exam is challenging. Now, we have provided a number of LinkedIn Learning Excel trainings and links that you can follow for additional. There's also a rubric for the Moss exam that tells you everything that gets scored, every task basically you would be asked to complete. And so that might be something to check yourself against when you get yourself ready to take the exam. All right, then with that, of course, you can reach out to me if you'd like to. I am going to be a little slower to respond over spring break because I'm going to be doing some things, but feel free to reach out if you want to. And otherwise, I hope you guys have a great break.